Welcome back to Parkside Manor, everybody. It is Wednesday, August 6th, and we are here to check out all of the progress that's been made over the last couple of weeks. Let's stop talking about it in the kind of sort of misting rain and jump inside and go and have a look. So here we are in the main entryway here. Now, the guys are just making some adjustments on the door over there, but this is the slat wall. Well, it's not really a slat wall, is it? Like stainless steel, 3/8 of an inch roughly, by 2 inches or so, forms the guardrail here, right? Good luck getting through that. And these guys go all the way down. Like, this is just such an insane feature. Let's go have a look at it from the other side, Kyle, come on. So if we're looking here, right, we've got all of these guys going down, but these guys are all in. This has all been custom cut and made so that everything fits perfectly. The amount of detail and foresight and planning that has gone in to make this happen, like, is just mind-boggling. So much time and effort and money, frankly. But nonetheless, we are in. We are looking really, really good. I am so excited to see this come together and starting to look good. We've got 3 weeks, hopefully, to get the clients moved in. So big push, that's for sure. We'll see what happens here. But nonetheless, looking amazing. This area here is now fully finished. Obviously, we don't have the television in place yet, but you can see we've got all of the cabinetry in, the paneling in, everything is looking dialed. Fireplace is in and working. We've got more millwork over here, beautiful open shelves. Each of these shelves has a built-in LED light that will shine down. I cannot wait to do the final walk through this house with all of the features turned on and ready to go. And Darren is telling me there's actually an LED strip underneath these cabinets as well that'll shine down on the floor. So that is gonna look so cool. Coming through here, we've got upper cabinets in here now. We've got fridge doors in, so this is all looking amazing. There's a hood fan behind here, and this opens up, and that gives you the access to the hood fan. But that's mostly just supposed to stay down. But that's what it looks like. That's hilarious.
Now don't be afraid, just yank it and it will release.
Yeah.
And it actually soft closes.
All right, so that is pretty cool. You knock on the door. Hello. And then close it. And then it soft closes. Nice one. So clean, so precise, and so protected. Moving along through here, we've got all of this locked and loaded in here. Let's check out the pantry. We've got our wine storage ready to go. We're missing a door that will go on top of this. So there's gonna be a door frame that'll go around there. So we'll catch that on the next one. But nonetheless, beautiful built-in cabinets, all ready to go. Everything, of course, is gonna be on soft closes. Absolutely brilliant. So Kyle was just asking, you know, the looks a lot different than when he was here last time. So we had just the plywood boxes in here before, but now we've got the door and drawer fronts in. So everything's painted and everything's looking awesome. Amazing desk in here, super clean, super modern, totally awesome. What a great workspace. This is the desk. This is all drop folders for all of the files that this particular person has. And then we've got more drop folder storage here, right? That's what all this stuff is. And then I think there's a printer or two gonna go in here. And again, the strip lighting isn't in yet, but we've got a space for the LED strip lighting. We have ascended the stairs from the main floor up to the upper floor hallway. We have got these absolutely glorious pendant lights in. So that adorns this hallway, looking amazing. We've got our pot lights in. We're waiting on the fire sprinkler guys to come in and put their finishes on. But this is all looking amazing. We've got the paneling in here, which was here last time, paneling here. We've got the glass guys here getting their work done. In case you're wondering who the glass guys are, it's Renner Glass, R-E-N-N-E-R Glass. Hit them up if you need glass. You'll remember, Kyle, the last time we were here, we had this Decton installed, and that hasn't really changed. But this has kind of been on and off and on and off again. And this is now on, and you'll notice that the grain of this Decton is running horizontal, same as this. which is how it needs to be, should be, and now looks amazing. You can see the meticulousness of these mitered corners here. So it just looks like it's one monolithic slab. Absolutely mint. Just looks so, so, so good. When we were here last, I believe that we were watching these guys put this together using biscuits. That's all done now. Looking absolutely divine. Lots of stuff still to go here. Lots of details. We got window coverings. We got grates to go in for the HVAC. We've got covers for the fire sprinklers, but everything's under control. Bedside fixtures in, super cool and funky, very fun. In here, we've got all our lighting. We've got all sorts of paneling done and ready to go. This hasn't changed much since the last time we were here, other than it looks like the glass guys are getting ready to start installing shower glass. So we will be coming here once a week for the rest of the month because there's just so many different things happening this month as we're pushing to get the clients moved in to the upper 2 floors by the end of August. It's August 6th, so that's 3 weeks from today. I think it's a bit of a stretch. I suspect we're gonna need an extra week or 2. But you know what? We'll see what happens. We'll see what sort of miracles Darren can pull off. All right, so we've got more cabinets and more lighting installed, but look at how dainty and delicious these suckers are. They are absolutely beautiful. Nice, beautiful chrome. Absolutely magnificent. These are gonna go beside the bed that is gonna go right here. So these are decorative reading lights. I don't know how effective they're gonna be for reading lights, to be honest with you, but they sure look freaking cool, that's for sure. Once again, we are back downstairs and we have our friends from Proper Ceilings and Walls here. Hashtag love you, James. These guys are beating out the basement and getting the final finishing touches in. We're getting their final polish coat on all of the walls. Ceilings are looking pretty close. It looks like they got another little something to go in there. But we are getting really close on getting the painting and everything done down here. And again, one of the things that we've been talking about, you know, this is a massive and crazy extensive renovation. And we're getting this done in 1.25 years, 1.5 years. And that's mostly because we were waiting for permits at the beginning of the project. With having everything in place and just given the magnitude and the level of detail and intricacy going into this project, I dare say any of my competitors would take between 2 and 3 years to get this project done. Sprucehill is getting it done in 1.5 years. You want to work with people that get things done, you need to call Sprucehill. We are awesome, and I stand by that. Awesome, awesome, awesome. That's a wrap on today. Listen, if you have a renovation that you have been dreaming of, Sprucehill would love to be your partner in success. Give us a shout at the office or reach out on our website and book a call with us today. We'd love to hear from you. In the meantime, if you find this content useful, informative, entertaining, whatever, we'd love to hear from you in the comments. I reply to every one of them, or try to anyways. Like and subscribe. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching. Stay awesome. Bye now.